FanZi quan, one of the most fastest style of Kung Fu. In this video, we're going to leading you three parts. The first part, you're getting to know what is the FanZi quan. Second part of this video, you got to know what is the real application for FanZi quan. The last part, step by step for the tutorial of FanZi quan. Let's go.
生存必不语。FanZi拳属少林拳法，是至刚至阳的拳法，弹转腾挪，外口起电，要出手死剑，离手死线。
FanZi quan, also known as twisting fist or rotating fist, is a dynamic style of Kung Fu celebrated for its fluidity and intricate techniques. It embodies the principle that a single force can manifest through multiple techniques, allowing practitioners to adapt and respond to varying combat situations effectively. At the heart of FanZi quan lies the idea that a single technique can be executed in numerous ways, fostering creativity within the structure of traditional martial arts.
I love it. Okay, let's go to real application. 45 degree up, punch, punch, go, it's attack, forward. With this punch, if someone blocking the punch, go down, circle, quick attack, and push the face. Twisting punch, blocking your left hand, blocking your left hand like this, and your right hand also from bottom go up. Do this and come back your right hand and your big arm twist.